Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm making some cinnamon flavored pancakes. In this bowl I have 1.5 cup of sifted flour, and to that I'm going to be adding 3.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and now we're going to combine the ingredients. I'm going to mix that in well and smell the cinnamon. Now the next step is you're going to make a well in the center. Now we're going to add 1.25 cup of milk, and that could be milk of your choice. 1.25. I added 1 egg to the mixture. I had a malfunction with my camera, so that wasn't recorded. Now I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of melted butter. So 1, 2, 3. And now you want to mix all your ingredients into a smooth batter. And here's my batter all mixed in, my ingredients all mixed in. So I've heated my skillet, lightly greased skillet. I'm going to pour about 1/4 cup of batter into the pan, and ensure that it spreads out evenly, like so. Then you're going to allow it to cook on each side until it's brown. And then you can know when it's cooked. When the bubbles start forming around here, you know it's cooked, it's ready to turn. Here are my cinnamon flavored pancakes. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Delicious.